Hey there, have you ever found yourself struggling to keep your home clean because your body just isn't what it used to be? Maybe you're over 70 dealing with chronic pain or living with a disability that makes even simple chores feel like climbing a mountain. You're not alone. For so many of us, as we age or face physical challenges, cleaning can become a daunting task. But here's the truth. A clean home doesn't have to mean hours of scrubbing or bending over in pain. There are smarter, easier ways to keep your space tidy without pushing your body to the limit. In this video, we're diving into 9 cleaning hacks that are perfect for when you're elderly, disabled, or in pain. These are lazy but incredibly effective tricks that will save you time, energy, and discomfort while keeping your home sparkling clean. Some of these hacks might surprise you, and others might be so simple you'll wonder why you didn't try them sooner. Stay with me until the very end, because the last hack is a game changer that can transform how you clean forever. And it's something most people overlook. By the time this video is over, you'll have a toolkit of practical solutions to make cleaning painless and even a little fun. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about using lightweight tools to save your strength. As we get older or deal with pain, heavy mops, brooms, or vacuum cleaners can feel like weights at the gym. Think about someone like Margaret, a 74-year-old grandmother with arthritis in her hands. She used to dread mopping her kitchen floor because the heavy bucket and mop left her wrists aching for days. Then she discovered lightweight, ergonomic cleaning tools designed for people with limited strength. Instead of a bulky mop, try a microfiber spray mop. These are super light, weighing less than a couple of pounds, and they come with a built-in spray bottle, so you don't need to carry a bucket. You just fill the bottle with water and a bit of cleaner, spray the floor, and glide the mop across. It's so easy you can do it while sitting in a chair if standing is tough. For sweeping, swap out that old broom for an ultralight electric broom. These battery-powered wonders weigh next to nothing and suck up dust and crumbs without you needing to bend over. The best part? These tools are affordable and widely available online or at big box stores. If you've noticed that lifting heavy cleaning gear is wearing you out, don't ignore it. Switching to lightweight tools can make a world of difference, letting you clean without feeling like you've run a marathon. Next, let's talk about the magic of disposable cleaning wipes. If bending down to scrub or reaching up to clean surfaces feels like torture, disposable wipes are your new best friend. Take John, a 68-year-old retiree with chronic back pain. He used to skip cleaning his bathroom because getting down to scrub the sink or toilet was too painful. Then he started using pre-moistened cleaning wipes. These wipes are soaked in cleaning solution, so you don't need to mess with sprays or rags. Just grab one, wipe down your counters, sink, or even the inside of your microwave, and toss it in the trash. They're perfect for quick cleanups when you don't have the energy for a deep scrub. You can keep a pack in every room, by the kitchen sink, in the bathroom, or even next to your favorite chair, so you can clean whenever you feel up to it, without needing to hunt for supplies. Some brands even make wipes specifically for glass or wood, so you can tackle mirrors or furniture without streaks. The key is to use them for small, frequent touch-ups, rather than letting messes pile up. If you're finding that cleaning feels overwhelming, give wipes a try. They're a lazy way to keep things tidy without straining your body. Now, let's move on to the power of a rolling cart to organize your cleaning supplies. If you're in pain or have trouble moving around, walking back and forth to grab cleaners, sponges, or trash bags can be exhausting. Imagine someone like Susan, a 71-year-old with mobility issues from a hip replacement. She used to dread cleaning because she'd have to shuffle to the closet for supplies, then back to the kitchen, and by the time she started, she was already worn out. Then she got a small rolling cart and it changed everything. These carts are like a portable cleaning station. You can load them up with your wipes, sprays, dusters, and trash bags and roll them from room to room. They're lightweight, often with handles for easy pushing, and some even have compartments to keep everything organized. If you use a walker or wheelchair, look for a cart with a low profile so you can reach everything easily. Keep it parked in a central spot like your kitchen or living room, so it's always ready when you need it. This hack is all about reducing unnecessary movement, which means less pain and more energy for actually cleaning. If you're tired of playing fetch with your cleaning supplies, a rolling cart is a simple fix that'll make you wonder how you ever managed without it. If you're still watching and finding these tips helpful, please comment hack 1 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend hitting that subscribe button and turning on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support helps us keep creating content to make your life easier. Now, let's keep going. Let's talk about using a long-reach grabber tool to clean without bending or stretching. For anyone with joint pain, limited mobility, or balance issues, reaching up to dust shelves or bending down to pick up crumbs can be risky and painful. Picture Robert, an 80-year-old with a bad knee. He used to avoid dusting his high shelves because climbing a step stool was out of the question, and bending to clean under furniture was just as bad. Then he got a long-reach grabber tool, and it was a total game changer. These tools are like an extension of your arm with a handle you squeeze to grab or wipe things. You can attach a microfiber cloth to the end to dust high surfaces like ceiling fans or bookshelves without ever leaving the ground, or use it to pick up small debris on the floor without bending over. Some models even have a suction cup or magnetic tip for grabbing lightweight objects like socks or papers that fall under the couch. They're inexpensive, usually under $20, and you can find them at most hardware stores or online. The beauty of this hack is that it keeps you safe while letting you clean places you'd normally skip. If reaching or bending is a struggle, don't put yourself at risk. A grabber tool lets you clean smarter, not harder. Next up, let's talk about the lazy genius of robotic vacuums. Vacuuming is one of the most physically demanding chores, especially if you're dealing with pain or mobility challenges. Lugging around a heavy vacuum, bending to get under furniture, or wrestling with cords can leave you exhausted or worse, injured. Consider Ellen, a 76-year-old with fibromyalgia. She loved a clean floor, but hated how vacuuming left her in pain for days. Then she got a robotic vacuum, and it was like hiring a personal cleaner. These little devices roam your home, sucking up dust, pet hair, and crumbs while you sit back and relax. Modern models are smart enough to navigate around furniture, avoid stairs, and even return to their charging dock when they're done. You can schedule them to clean while you're watching TV or napping, and many are quiet enough not to disturb you. If you have a small budget, there are affordable models under $100 that still do a great job on hard floors or low-pile carpets. For pet owners or those with allergies, some come with HEPA filters to trap dust. The key is to let the robot do the heavy lifting so you can save your energy for other things. If vacuuming feels like a chore you dread, a robotic vacuum could be your ticket to a cleaner home with zero effort. Now, let's talk about using sticky lint rollers for quick surface cleaning. Dusting furniture, lampshades, or curtains can be tough if you have shaky hands or can't reach easily. Sprays and rags often require too much scrubbing or stretching, and dusters can send particles flying, which isn't great if you have respiratory issues. Take Barbara, a 69-year-old with chronic fatigue. She used to skip dusting because it took too much out of her, but her home started looking dull and dusty. Then she discovered lint rollers, and they became her go-to cleaning tool. These sticky rollers, usually used for pet hair on clothes, are fantastic for picking up dust and small debris on flat surfaces. Just roll them over your coffee table, chair cushions, or even window blinds, and the dust sticks right to the tape. They're lightweight, require no setup, and you don't need to press hard, making them perfect for anyone with limited strength. Plus, they're cheap and come with refillable rolls, so you're never caught without one. Keep a roller in your living room or bedroom for quick touch-ups between deeper cleans. If dusting feels like a hassle, this hack lets you keep surfaces looking fresh with minimal effort. If you're still with me and loving these hacks, please comment hack 3 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next video. Your support keeps us going. Let's move on. Let's talk about the brilliance of no-rinse cleaners for pain-free scrubbing. Traditional cleaning often involves spraying, scrubbing, and rinsing, which can be brutal on sore joints or weak muscles. If you're elderly or disabled, all that elbow grease can leave you aching for days. Imagine someone like Henry, a 73-year-old with shoulder pain from an old injury. He hated cleaning his kitchen counters because scrubbing with a sponge was agonizing. Then he switched to no-rinse cleaners, and it was like a weight lifted off his shoulders. These cleaners come in spray or foam form and are designed to break down grease, grime, or soap scum without needing to rinse. You just spray, wipe with a cloth or paper towel, and you're done. No scrubbing required. Look for brands labeled no rinse or wipe and go at your local supermarket or online. They work wonders on kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, or even glass shower doors. For extra ease, pair them with a microfiber cloth, which grabs dirt without much pressure. This hack is all about cutting out the hard work so you can clean without hurting yourself. If scrubbing leaves you in pain, no-rinse cleaners are a lazy but effective way to keep your home spotless. Next, let's talk about using a shower caddy for bathroom cleaning on the go. Bathrooms are notorious for being hard to clean, especially if you can't bend to scrub the tub or reach the shower head. Carrying around bottles, brushes, and sponges only adds to the challenge. Picture Alice, a 70-year-old with a bad back. She used to dread bathroom cleaning because it meant multiple trips to grab supplies, and standing for long periods was unbearable. Then she started using a shower caddy as a cleaning organizer, and it made all the difference. These caddies, usually used to hold shampoo, can be repurposed to carry your bathroom cleaning essentials. Load it up with your no-rinse spray, wipes, a small brush, and a microfiber cloth, then hang it on a hook or towel rack in your bathroom. When you're ready to clean, grab the caddy and work from a seated position if needed. Many people use a shower stool for comfort. You can wipe down the sink, toilet, or shower walls without moving around too much. The caddy keeps everything within arm's reach, so you're not bending or stretching unnecessarily. After you're done, it hangs right back up, keeping your supplies tidy. This hack saves energy and makes bathroom cleaning feel less like a chore. If your bathroom is a pain to clean, a shower caddy could be your secret weapon. Now, let's talk about the ultimate lazy cleaning hack: setting a 5-minute cleaning timer. When you're in pain or low on energy, the idea of cleaning an entire room can feel overwhelming, so you put it off, and messes pile up. But you don't need to tackle everything at once. Think about Clara, a 75-year-old with chronic knee pain. She used to let dishes and clutter build up because she thought cleaning required hours of work. Then she started using a 5-minute timer, and it transformed her home. Here's how it works. Set a timer on your phone or kitchen clock for just 5 minutes. Pick one small task, like wiping down the kitchen counter, rolling a lint roller over the couch, or tossing laundry in the hamper, and do it until the timer goes off. If you feel up to it, reset the timer for another 5 minutes and tackle another small task. The beauty of this hack is that it tricks your brain into starting without feeling intimidated. 5 minutes is short enough that you won't overdo it, but you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Over time, these quick bursts add up, keeping your home cleaner without draining you. You can do this seated, using tools like wipes or a grabber to make it even easier. If cleaning feels like too much, try the 5-minute timer. It's a lazy way to stay on top of messes without pushing your body too hard. If you're still watching and finding these hacks valuable, please comment Hack 6 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend subscribing and turning on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support helps us keep sharing tips to make your life easier. Now, let's move on to our final thoughts. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on what we've covered. These 9 cleaning hacks: lightweight tools, disposable wipes, rolling carts, long-reach grabbers, robotic vacuums, sticky lint rollers, no-rinse cleaners, shower caddies, and the 5-minute timer are designed to make cleaning easier, safer, and less painful when you're elderly, disabled, or in pain. Each one is about working smarter, not harder, so you can keep your home clean without sacrificing your health or comfort. The good news? You don't need to overhaul your routine overnight. Start with one hack that resonates with you. Maybe you'll pick up a pack of wipes for quick cleanups, or try a 5-minute timer to tackle a small mess. Whatever you choose, these small changes can have a big impact, giving you a cleaner home and more energy to enjoy the things you love. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these hacks are you excited to try? Maybe you've already got a lazy cleaning trick that works for you. Share it in the comments below. Your ideas could inspire someone else watching this video. And if you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little cleaning inspiration. Your support helps us keep creating content to make your life easier and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay comfortable, and keep cleaning the lazy way.